When you send an email campaign, results are more than just numbers. Your EZLynx campaign performance dashboard tells a story about how recipients interact with your emails, and understanding that story helps you make better decisions over time. This isn't about chasing perfect stats, it's about learning what's working. The first thing to remember is that delivery does not equal engagement. An email can be delivered successfully and still never be opened, or opened and never be acted on. That's why it's important to understand what each metric actually means for your agency. Let's walk through key metrics and how to interpret them. First off, we have open rate. Open rate shows the percentage of how many recipients opened your email. While open rate is a helpful indicator, it is not reliable on its own. Some email providers automatically open emails in the background, while others block tracking entirely. Email opens give you a directional signal, not the full picture. Next, we have click rate. Click rate tells a much clearer story. When someone clicks a link, it shows real engagement. They took an intentional action. This is one of the reasons why email content works best when it includes a clear call to action. Even a simple link like review your policy or learn more gives you a meaningful way to measure engagement. Clicks matter more than opens when evaluating performance. The most clicked links insights card helps you understand what content resonates most with your audience. It shows which messages, topics, or actions your recipients care enough to click on. Use this to refine your future content and focus on what performs best. Subject lines influence whether an email gets opened at all. The top performing subject lines insights card helps you see which subject lines drive the highest engagement. Over time, this information helps you recognize patterns. Clarity, relevance, timing. You can reuse this information to attract engagement in future campaigns. Next, we have bounce rate. Bounce rate measures how many emails fail to reach recipients. An example of this are emails sent to outdated or invalid email addresses. These will likely bounce. So a higher bounce rate typically indicates poorer overall email quality list. Bounce rates are more important than you may think. Keeping your bounce rates low will also help protect your sender reputation with mailbox providers. Next, we have spam complaints and unsubscribes. Now, these metrics are important signals. They do not necessarily mean something is always wrong, but trends here can tell you when content, audience, or frequency may need adjustment. While you should always take note of these metrics, some unsubscribes are likely to occur. Spam complaints, on the other hand, these cannot be taken lightly. Spam complaints are just that, complaints, and over time, they will impact your sender reputation. No agency gets it perfect out of the gate, and that's not the point. These metrics exist to help you learn, not grade you. The agencies that improve over time are the ones that pay attention, make small adjustments, and just keep going. EZLynx gives you the visibility to do exactly that.